Association Certified Personal Trainer, UAE Dubai. So he is also the 2022 World Fitness Federation PRO or Pro Card Champion, Open Division Champion, and Overall Champion. In 2019 and 2020 awarded as Pride of Toledo, Cebu, 3 times IFBB Nationals Mr. Philippines Bodybuilding Competition, and 16 times Bodybuilding Champion and Overall Champion. Ladies and gentlemen, our last judge is none other than, let's give him a big round of applause, Mr. Don Giampo. Palakpakan po natin. Okay, so at this moment, before we continue, we would like to request the presence of our president of the freebies from our sponsors. Our first place will receive a medal, cash, trophies, and the gift certificate coming from our sponsors. And for our champion, they'll receive a trophy, medal, cash, freebies from Wise Choice, the gift certificate, and a GFIT supplement help. Alright, so for the overall champion, he will be receiving a gold cash of 20,000 pesos. Palakpakan po natin yung organizing team natin for the Mr. Sinulana Visayas 2024 Season 3.
Good afternoon. Today we will witness our Sinulana Visayas 2024. So here you can see our athletes. So we would like to thanks for the invitation. And then to motivate, we'd like to inform also na these athletes prepared a lot bago makapunta dito. So hindi po madali ang preparasyon ng mga athletes, lalo na pag bodybuilding. So it takes some of them 16 weeks, 12 weeks of preparation, full diet, weighting training. So some of them 8 weeks, the shortest one. So kung makikita niyo sila ngayon, dito lumalabas. Yan po ang pinaka-disiplinado na atleta. Isa sa pinaka-disiplinado na atleta sa mundo. Hindi po madali pinagdaanan, kaya may injury na, obstacles. Minsan kahit hirap sa pera, magastos din ang bodybuilding, to be honest. Every day, the food in between, the gym, lalo pa kung malaro na kayo sa mga internationals. So this one is the stepping stone of the new athletes. So it's all one of 3 years. Anyway, thank you so much, and then please welcome and give a round of applause to all our athletes. Thank you so much.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand for Chairman Mr. Don Campo. That's very motivating. City.
Kapon.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's call on our next athlete, Mr. Carlo J. Doble from the Valpiliran Uptown Extreme Fitness Center. Thank you so much. Next, let's call on Mr. Mark Angelo Gallios from Uptown Extreme Fitness Center of the Valpiliran. thank you so much, athlete number 10. Next, let's call on our athlete number 11, Mr. John Nicolas from Nards Fitness Gym, Tacloban City. Alright, so thank you so much, athlete number 11. Next, let's call on our next athlete number 15, Mr. LG Omeres of Akis Gym, Tacloban City. Alright, so thank you so much, athlete number 15. Next, let's call on athlete number 17, Mr. Aaron Clyde Alfanta of Lidem Pasar Gym, Light Pasar Gym, Isabel Leyte. Alright, so thank you so much, athlete number 17. Next, let's move on to athlete number 17, Reynald B. Olaite of Mines Fitness Gym, Ilocos City. Alright, so thank you so much, athlete number 20. Next, let's move on to athlete number 21, Valentin Alaban from Olympic Team, Tacloban City. Alright, so thank you so much, athlete number 21. Next, let's move on to athlete number 22, Mr. Francis Gabriel from Olympic Gym, Tacloban City. Alright, so thank you so much, athlete number 22. To complete our athlete for the natural physique, let's hold on. Athlete number 14, Mr. Arvin Makaray from Fitwork Gym, Caloocan City. Alright, so thank you so much to our athlete number 14, Mr. Arvin Makaray. Alright, so thank you so much. Alright, so I yield the floor to our board of judges. Makaray. Alright, so thank you so much to our national physique athletes. Alright, so now I give the floor to our board of judges.
Hello. Sorry. Okay. Athletes, I need to call first to set of 5. So, okay, we're going to have a symmetry. First, I would like to ask, okay, this is a natural category, right? Athletes, are you aware? Natural category? Walang halong chemical? Puro-puro? Are you sure? So we'd like to be honest lang tayo dito. Unfair naman sa... So it means natural talagang natural tayo. Okay, let's proceed. Let's go. Okay. Face the front. Symmetry. Now, quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right. Half. To your right, sir. Right.
You're right.
Right. Number 2, right.
Left, right.
Yes. Thank you. Again, quarter turn to your right. To your right. Face front. Thank you so much, athletes. Back in line. Another sets from 17 to 14, please come forward. The rest of the athletes, yung hindi natawag, please come forward. Lahat kayo. 22, please. Hindi, yung hindi natawag pa kanino. 23, yes. Go straight out ng konti ha, walang sikuhan. Go face front. Now, quarter turn to your right. Again to your right. Quarter turn to your right. Face front. Thank you. Back in line, please.
Okay. Good afternoon. Make sure yung numbers ay hindi natatabunan. 15. 20, number 20. Yung number niyo. 11, 9, 23. Okay. Spread out, please. Okay. Ang gagawin natin, harap ang likod lang. Okay? Okay. Okay. Front pose, please. And hold. Hold nyo. Okay, and relax. Face the rear. Likod. Please. Rear. Back pose. Hold. Okay, relax. O harap. Balik harap. Face front. Number 20 and 11 switch. Okay, back pose tayo. Back pose tayo. Hold nyo. Hold nyo. Adjust kayo, adjust. Para hindi kayo hold nyo. Okay, and relax. Okay, harap. Thank you, athletes. Back in line.
$50. 21. 17. 14. Spread out. Okay, face front. And pose. Hold. Relax. Face back. Face the back. Back pose and pose. Relax. Back in line, please. Thank you, athletes. Back in line. Okay, number 15, 23, 20, 17, 11, and 9.
Compress.
Spread out. Face front. Oh, stop. 11, 15, switch. Now face the back. Back pose lang. Adjust lang ng konti, walang sikuhan. Relax, face front. Face front. Nine and 23 switch. 20 and 11. You can back in line, please. Go back in line. 9 and 15. Closer. 70. Adjust ng konti. At least just to remind, pag tinamahan yung katabi nyo, adjust kayo. You can go forward or backwards a bit, ha? Mag-adjust kayo, huwag sikuhan. Let's show our sportsmanship here. Kasi pwede natin i-deduct yun. Pag pagsikuhan na kayo, bawal yun, ha? Just to remind. Okay? Now, face the back. Face front. Fifteen 23 switch. Adjust. Face the back. Face the rear. Face the front. Okay, thank you so much, athletes. You can go backstage now. Thank you so much. A round of applause, please.
Forward board of judges. Okay, so at this moment, before we continue, let's grab this chance to thank our following sponsors, of course. Alright, the City Government of Tacloban through Mayor Alfred S. Romualdez, the City Sports Office headed by Sir Michael Villapena, and to one of our sponsors also is the organizer, Mr. Michael Villagrasca, fish dealer, JFIT, supplementhub.com.ph, Wise Choice. Our fourth runner-up is none other than athlete number. Our fourth runner-up is athlete number 15, Mr. LG Jimenez. We will receive a certificate, cash, and tokens from Wise Choice and GFIT Supplement Hub. Alright, so thank you for correcting me. So only cash and certificate for the natural physics. So for our third place for the natural physics category is none other than athlete number 23, Mr. Jerick Mercado. Alright, so I stand corrected. Only the first and second will receive a cash. So third and fourth certificate only. Alright, so for our second placer is none other than athlete number 11, John Nicolas. Alright, so we have our fourth place pala, yung ika-fifth natin. So, lastly, I'll be announcing the winner, the champion for the natural physics. But then again, tatawagin po natin yung fourth place natin. Alright, so our fourth place is Mr. our athlete number 9, Mr. Carlo J. Doble. Alright, so for our champion for the natural physique category, ladies and gentlemen, our champion is athlete number 20, Mr. Renan Olaide. I'm sorry. I will be correcting. Our number 9, you are the 5th runner-up, 5th place. So you will not receiving a medal. Yeah. So our second place is number 11, Mr. John Nicolas. Yon. So John Nicolas. Our second runner-up is Mr. John Nicolas, and our champion is number 20, Renald Olaite. Yon. Champion is number 20. Our first place is John Nicolas. Alright, so let me repeat. Our 5th place is number 9, Carlo J. Doble. Our 4th place is athlete number 15, LG Homeres. Our 3rd place is athlete number 23, Jeric Mercado. And our 2nd is John Nicolas. And our champion is Renald Olaite. Alright, so for the second and third may cash prize. So ang 4th and 5th walang cash prize. So pakibigay na lang po sa ating
Palit kayo ng pwesto, 23, what's your number again? Number 9. Okay, dito kayo sa ano. Picture taking muna kayo. Yan. Yan, huwag mo mabalin yan. Ayaw mo ata manalo, bigay na kasi. Sayang. No, places, switch place, tama na yun. I mean, for taking pictures, yan, proper yan. Kasi champion, second and third, 4th and 5th, yan, spread out konti. Okay, for picture taking, okay na. Okay, now number 20, remain the stage, 23 and 11. Go back in line. 23. No, go back in line. Thank you. Yan. Yan ang champion. Okay, thank you so much, athletes.